Okay, let's talk about something really important that I get questions on literally almost every single day. Joe, how does your wig stay on? Let me tell you. Watch this, girls. Yep, not my hair. This little bad boy. My number one selling and favorite wig grip that I own. And here's why. Let me take it off and we're going to show you. Now, I have short hair. You do not have to have short hair to be able to wear a wig grip. In fact, if you have longer hair, I'd highly encourage you to wear one of these even more. My short hair, I can usually just throw on a wig and just rock it through the day. However, if I wanted to stay on while I'm doing all of the things and not worry about it flying off, this is my secret weapon. You guys, it is the best wig grip that we've ever offered, and it's my very own Velvet Noir Boutique line. There are a few features I absolutely love about this wig grip that we have here to offer you guys. This number one, it comes in 3 different colors. So you're going to have a lighter option, a medium option, and a darker option, depending on what color wig that you're wearing or your natural color hair. Depending on who you are is dependent on what you're going to want to wear. I typically just wear a medium toned one because I can cover any of my wigs and it's not going to show through. The next thing I love about this is the material, because there's multiple materials in this one. It's not just one size fits all type of thing, okay? So the base is going to be velvet. Now, velvet, what I love about that is it has a shininess and like a slipperiness one way and then a grittiness the other way. And the way that this is designed is that you cannot put this on the wrong way, okay? It's going to be gritty this way, which is going to be how your wig is going to stick and hold on to that wig grip, okay, and stay on your head. So you're going to get that really nice grittiness from the velvet. And then you're also going to get this really nice silicone band down the middle. Now, what does that do? It just creates a little extra, almost like stickiness, like a rubber band, to allow a little bit more grit if you're nervous that the velvet is not going to be enough for you. Trust me, it will be. And then some of my favorite features are the lace down the middle. So you never have like this blocking, because sometimes with a wig grip, you can see the color through the lace of your wig. Not with this one. And then this one in particular features a T-lace here, which makes it seamless. And this will allow you to have that lace almost melt right into your forehead. So no matter what, you're going to have this seamless blend underneath your wig. Then you just slide it up above your ear, and then it has this amazing bra strap right here that is super adjustable. And what I love about the bra strap in the back versus a big Velcro strap is there's no bulkiness, especially for you ladies who have long hair who need to braid and clip your hair underneath your wig. You already going to have hair there because of your naturally long hair, but this is going to allow you to have less bulk in the back of your head. Okay. Then, and look at how good it looks, you guys. Create the grittiness. Now watch when I put my wig on. So it already kind of stuck my wig. So then you adjust it, put your little ear tabs where they're supposed to be, pull this where you need to put it, melts right in. And I am wearing my favorite wig of all time, Sydney Rose, in white chocolate mocha. And if you think it doesn't hold, you ready? It does.